की हर सेवा जी की भी हर अर्चना है, ये सद्गुरु शरण की चरण वंदना है गुरुओं ने पुलकित, है गुरुओं ने पुलकित नयन से निहारा।
For us, our guests are as like to God, and in our Hindu society, they are respected most. So, let's welcome our guest and chief guest with a beautiful welcome song in their honor. So, I welcome our participants for their performance. Whole year our student had worked very hard and give a very fantastic result to the school. So for giving the annual report, I would like to call our respected principal sir on this stage. Please sir.
On the behalf of school children and staff of Swami Harsevanand Public School, Gadwa Ghat, it is my proud privilege to warm welcome the eminent Honorable Chief Guest of the day, Sri MP Yadavji, Chairman of Consumer Forum, Guest of Honor, Sri R.A. Yadavji, Ex-Chief Engineer, UP Electricity Board, Honorable Secretary and Manager Baba Prakash Dhyananand ji, Medical Officer Sri S.P. Yadav ji, Reverend and pious Mahatmas from Gadwa Ghat, Gurdev Nagar and Jhakai Mutt, and other distinguished guests and other dignitaries who are present here. Principal of Banpurwa Sri R.S. Yadav ji, Principal of Jagatgat Mrs. Rachna Agrawal, and ex-director Sri H.S. Yadav ji, Honorary Lieutenant and Hostel Superintendent M.S. Yadav ji, Vice Principal of our 4 branches, Gadwa Ghat Dr. A.K. Chaube, Banpurwa branch Mr. R.K. Yadav, Vice Principal Churk branch Mr. Shatrughan Vishkarma, Vice Principal Jagatganj branch Mrs. Amita Singh, Primary in charge Mrs. Asa Yadav. Invitees, representative of press and media, and reputed parents and guardians. Today I am rejoiced to present our school annual report for the academic journey 2013-14 before all of you. Our school is about to completed 11th successful year. Its excellency and supremacy. It is furnished with smart classes and committed band of 100 dedicated, devoted and teaching staff to enable more than 3,000 students for the steady march to progress. I now turn without taking your precious time, would like to reflect the achievement and proceeding of our school in brief. As for the academic step, this year in AISSE examination, the school has given 100% outstanding and significant successful result. 96 students got 10 CGPA. Similarly, in intermediate, 97.4% marks, 97.4% remarkable result. Our top scorer was Priyam Patel with 95.6%, particularly in chemistry, 100 marks out of 100, 98 marks in physics out of 100, which is the highest mark in our city Varanasi. Besides this AISSE examination, 34 students are selected this year in prestigious IIT and AIEEE examinations, and 152 students in other competitive examinations respectively from our school. In primary classes has focused to develop the student fluency in English, personality, behavior and manners. Expect this health and safety programs conducted in the school. In inter-branch co-curricular activities, the school has made commendable progress in the Hindi and English debate, science, maths, and Heritage India quiz and drawing. On every Saturday in inter-house contest of CCA, Dayanand House occupied first position, Tagore House second position, and Vivekanand third position. This year in inter-branch annual sport meet at our Churk branch, our branch sportsmen owns their talent and skill and got championship trophy with the highest score, which is appreciable and commendable. In the sequence of sports and games, our branch participants are awarded on state level boxing by gold medals, and 2 students are selected in National Karate Championship. Similarly, in CBSE National Carom, our participants have achieved junior and senior both championship, junior and senior both championship award, third time at national level, and the best play goes to our student Dipali Yadav class 6 and Krishna Dayal class 1st. This is not end of our meritorious achievement in sports and games, but also in archery. Our participants performed their best and got silver medal in Mumbai. In this step, athlete CBSE Cluster 4, our eventful achievement are all over India with 8 gold medals, 6 silver and 3 bronze medals. And coming month, January, our 8 students are selected as national level, which is held between 8 to 12 January at Mehsana, Gujarat. Ladies and gentlemen, our success did not get an end here. On the contrary, we were honored by giving up a number of opportunities to organize many prestigious examinations like AIEEE, Kishore Vaigyanik Proshahan Yojana, CBSE main and compartmental examination on their scheduled dates, and Nodal Center by CBSE administration and evaluation is scored by 6 subjects. My dear friend, besides this, our school has granted recognition in National Cadet Corps (NCC) to provide JD and JW certificate to the selected students. To the end of my speech, I heartily promise that in coming session, the school will acknowledge its service to all of you with its sense of hope towards great growth and progress. We will endeavor the nurse our student carefully plan interdisciplinary scholastic and co-scholastic programs to face the challenges of life in a confident and courageous manner to the bright, new and positive changes in their personality. In last, I expect my heart we have done to all of learned teaching staff for their contribution to this school as a complete active teamwork. I express my deep sense of questions our chief guest, Sri MP Yadav ji, for his kind presence and spending his most precious time with us, honoring the school and blessing our children. Ladies and gentlemen, I heartily welcome you again, and a special thanks to the parents' faithful cooperation, whose 451 wards are performing their best our 2 days annual programs. Now I close my words with a great thanks. Listen to me and attentively and hope that you will keep your unbreakable faith in our efforts in future. Thank you and good night. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
अपने बेगाने हो गए, अपने बेगाने हो गए, बदतमीजी जमीन में है, हैवानियत की हद हो गई, मतलब हर तासीर में है।
खुद गर्ज कितना हो गया इंसान मेरे
ईमान फरामोशी सबके वसूल में है, खुशबू का घर वहाँ तो कागज के फूल में है। सब हाथ मिलाते हैं मतलब के वास्ते,
सब हाथ मिलाते हैं मतलब के वास्ते, सब हाथ मिलाते हैं मतलब के वास्ते,
सब हाथ मिलाते हैं, सब हाथ मिलाते हैं मतलब के वास्ते।
इंसानियतों 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 हो गया बदनाम मेरे भाई, इंसानियतों हो गया बदनाम मेरे भाई, इंसानियतों हो गया बदनाम मेरे भाई।
खुद गर्ज कितना हो गया इंसान मेरे भाई,
खुद गर्ज कितना हो गया इंसान मेरे भाई, खुद गर्ज कितना हो गया इंसान मेरे भाई।
कितना अजीब हो गया जीने का सलीका भी,
कितना अजीब हो गया जीने का सलीका भी, कितना अजीब हो गया जीने का सलीका भी।
चलते हैं तीर भाले सबकी जुबान से, चलते हैं तीर भाले सबकी जुबान से, खाते भले ही रिश्वत जीते हैं शान से। कितना अजीब